Hello everybody, this is Angel Biter. Welcome back to another Infinifactory video. We are moving on. We got two puzzles left in this Atropo Station set of puzzles. I'll probably come back to the laser calibration target after I finish up. I only need, looks like, two puzzles to do the mission conclusion, so I'm pretty sure I have to 100% all the puzzles to get a platinum trophy on this game, which I'm going to try and do. So I'll come back to laser calibration at some point, but for now, we're just going to move on to Space Buoy. Let's see what a Space Buoy is. Okay, more painting. Well, isn't that cute? Let's see here. Oh, well, that simplifies things. I thought I was going to have to weld the centerpiece on there. Okay. Good. What we'll do... I don't know. Alright, well, we don't have to worry about welding the centerpiece, so that's a plus. But, I'm not sure... Well, this shouldn't be too difficult. Some lasers or some eviscerators will knock that out, and then just painting it's going to be the hard part. I wonder if maybe I can just... well, I made a thing with a fan, with a lifter, where on the one that I skipped, the puzzle that I skipped, it was going up. It was hitting the fan, going up, hitting a sensor, and then the fan was retracting and letting it fall down. So I could let it do that a couple of times. So I could probably get all 6 on one side white, rotate it 90 degrees, get all 6 red, weld the top, or eviscerate it while it's moving, weld the top piece on there. Ooh, I'm gonna have to come back that way with it. Okay. Well, perhaps instead of doing... We'll come across this way with white, eviscerate, rotate, eviscerate, do the opposite side white, come back red, weld that piece on there, rotate, red, done. I think that sounds like a nice starting point to get going on this puzzle. But yeah, I came up with a way to raise and lower the thing, painting it on that puzzle that I skipped, and so I might try and redo that here. So we'll see what happens. I will bring you back once I've got made a little bit of progress. Alright guys, I wanted to real briefly show you what I did here. This is something that I discovered by accident, is that when stuff falls, it will connect. Like, it started up there, it connected. And when it falls, what's connected to it doesn't connect to the floor. So what I've got going on here, you see how that's pulling back and forward. When my block is coming forward, it's going to hit this fan, which is going to send it up to hit that sensor, which is going to retract the fan and let it fall, which will, once it goes away from the sensor, it will, the fan will come back out again, and it just gets pushed up and over, which works fine for up to 3 high. The problem in the previous puzzle that I skipped was that I had to paint 5 high. So this didn't really work too well. I did end up making it work eventually just by coming around and doing the other 2 on this side, but then I got stuck trying to put the red dot in the middle on that other one. But anyway, I'm going to go back to that puzzle eventually. But this is... I might go ahead and just weld that right here. I don't know, we'll see. But now I need to come over this way and go back across with the exact same setup to do the 2 whites. Then we're going to go and do the 2 reds. And that needs to get welded on there before it's done. But I'm just going to repeat this basic setup right here 4 times. I don't know if I'll have room to do that. I'll probably have to paint the reds on this side, because this pipe needs to come out far enough. If I was to put this pipe right here behind it, it would be connected and not fall. Like that. See? That wouldn't work. So that's why that pipe needs to be back like that. So if we need... that means we're going to have to come out to about this far with that pipe, with the conduit. So we'll probably have to do the reds on that side and that side. I don't know. Well, I'll play with it. We'll see what happens. But I just wanted to just let you see what was going on, and I'm going to get back to it, and I will bring you back once I make a little bit more progress. Oh, there's a thing over here. Let's listen to Ortis.
Dave has been trying to get me to eat what he calls fish cake. I asked him what was in it, but he didn't really know. I told him that me and my sort don't consume animal protein. He called me a vegan and then walked away laughing. Is that an insult? It sounds like an insult.
It does sound like an insult, doesn't it? Alright, I'll bring you back in a bit, guys. Alright, guys. I wanted to give you a quick update, show you where I'm at. It's not necessary to let this thing fall to the ground. It was necessary when I was doing that previous puzzle because I had to get... I had to have the conveyors down on the ground. But since the conveyors aren't down on the ground, then this wasn't necessary. I could leave it up in the sky without... or leave it up off the ground without having to worry about all that mess. So here it is, getting all eviscerated out, and the top piece being welded on is just going to come through here, come to a stop, get sensed right there. That sensor pushes a weighting buoy on there, and the upside down conveyor moves it on. So that's that done. And then the same thing over here with the up down, and I had to raise this up above the buoy. So there's all the white done. So I'm going to repeat that for the red. And I'm going to come this way with the red and have to go back again that way with the red. And then I'll probably have to come all the way out and around to avoid everything to get it done. But I'll have to rotate it at one point as well. But anyway, that's where we're at. I'm sure there's a much more efficient way to do this. But the last time I had to do a paint job, I rage quit that puzzle because I was having so much problems with it. So I'm not even going to try and mess with trying to make this easier. I just want to get it done. So painting one is not my favorite. But anyway, I will get started on this. And whoops, undo. Come on now. So anyway, I'm going to get on this, and I will get back to you once I've get a little bit closer to being done. Alright guys, I'm pretty sure we got this sorted out. One thing I will mention, I put this right there to cover that up because I had a problem with it swiping over my white paint. So just make sure you go around that and don't paint over what you've already painted. So there we go. One rotate. Whoops. Of course. Let's flip that the other way. Is that gonna get in the way? Doesn't look like it. Alright. I've decided I don't like the painting puzzles. Well, did pretty good though. But yeah, I'm not gonna mess with that one anymore. We're just gonna call that a good puzzle and move on to the last one. So this has been Angel Biter. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.